Hey guys, my name is Dimitri and this is a video for beautiful 2015 Toyota Sienna. Very nice, family minivan with 92,000 miles. This one is XLE model, which is give you a lot of nice options, and we'll go through them. The body looks very nice, beautiful, nice rims. Paint is in great condition. Black color, fog lights, nice grill right there. Again, rims looks nice, no problems. It's got nice tires as well. Beautiful in and out. Alright, so now we got leather interior, power seats. It's got 2 keys. Again, everything is in good condition, low miles. There is a sunroof. There is a nice touch screen where you can load your application. Of course, you can connect the Bluetooth, climate control, heated seats. No lights on, everything is in working condition, fresh oil change, power doors, power lift gate. This is gonna be 7-seater, 8 with the driver, ready to go for all your family trips. Quality of Toyota, well-known vehicles. It's very hard to find those clean units. We have it. We have Carfax report for all our cars, easy finance. So if you guys looking for quality used vehicle, stop by at Car City Inc. and you'll find your used vehicle here. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.